Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to set digits for automatic transfers weekly. Automating your savings transfer weekly with digits is gonna help you to build your savings steadily and effortlessly. So let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Digit app and log into your account, and once you're in, navigate to the settings or savings preference section. Then you're going to look for the option that's labeled transfer frequency or savings schedule. And once you find it, select weekly from the list of available transfer intervals. Digit will now automatically transfer money from your linked bank account to your Digit savings every week based on what it calculates as a save to save amount. You can customize the day of the week when the transfer occurs if the version of the app allows it. You can also check your savings dashboard regularly to track progress and make any adjustments to your saving goals or your frequency. Weekly automatic transfers can help to keep your savings on track without suffering from manual efforts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money with digits. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. See you guys in the next one.